The USX Star heavy-duty TV wall mount feels reassuringly solid with a one-piece steel frame that comfortably supports very large televisions without flexing or wobbling. Its wide compatibility covers everything from big living room screens to oversized home theater panels, thanks to generous mounting pattern support that works with most major brands and both flat and curved designs. Installers will appreciate that it spans multiple wood stud spacings, making it much easier to hit solid framing and still center the television where it looks best. Once mounted, the television sits very close to the wall, creating a clean, built-in appearance that suits modern minimalist setups and keeps cables more discreet. The included hardware kit and straightforward instructions make the installation process manageable for a careful do-it-yourself user with basic tools. Overall, this mount is a strong choice for anyone hanging a heavy, oversized screen who wants commercial-grade stability in a low-profile, home-friendly design.